The Model Y is heavily based on the Model 3, which was Tesla's first affordable electric car, $37,990 today.
Hey there guys, what's happening, and welcome back to yet another great video on our channel. Since the company's inception, safety has been one of Tesla's top priorities for its electric cars. The company's first products, the Model S and Model X, both received 5-star safety ratings, and the less expensive Model 3 not only achieved the same impressive result, but also had the lowest probability of injury of any vehicle ever tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Here's why Tesla Model Y received highest ever safety rating. Number 7. Elon Musk's firm has a strong track record. Tesla has always placed a premium on safety. Elon Musk has always emphasized how battery-powered automobiles had an inherent edge over their gas-guzzling counterparts. Electric automobiles, unlike normal vehicles, have a lower center of gravity because of their battery packs, providing them exceptional turning skills and lowering the chance of rolling over. Tesla, on the other hand, has been quite busy since then. It was also recently revealed that the Model Y will be the safest SUV on the market.
Plans for a cheaper car in the future, and Model Y starts at $49,990, 326 miles of range on a charge.
Number 6. Tesla's performance in terms of safety. Tesla's Model S received a higher score than any other car in the history of testing for its capacity to safeguard occupants in the cabin. Tesla's Model Y performed exceptionally well in rollover testing, with the lowest rollover risk of any SUV ever built by any firm. The Model 3 received a 5-star rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration for safety. It was the first time an electric SUV has received an unblemished rating. Number 5. The safest SUV that has ever been mass-produced. The rollover risk of Tesla's Model Y is almost half that of the Volvo XC60, widely regarded as the safest SUV mass production vehicle ever produced. The automobile slides onto the doors when hit from the side, but rapidly corrects itself. The weight of the battery pack is sufficient to restore it to all 4 wheels.
Tesla cars are safer than their competitors, thanks to many cutting-edge features that Tesla has evolved over the years.
Number 4. Performance in frontal crash. Typically, highway safety testing organizations conduct frontal crash tests by driving cars at 35 miles per hour against an immovable wall. The objective is to replicate the impact of slamming into a bollard head-on in metropolitan traffic. The Model Y, on the other hand, does quite well on this test. When safety testing organizations evaluated it, they discovered that it performed the best in its class once again. Number 3. What's the reason behind this? The Model Y is a novel automobile that transforms its whole front end into a huge bumper to deflect energy when it collides with something. The combustion engine of a conventional automobile is located under the hood. Thus, in the event of a frontal collision, the car's body and then the engine compartment absorb the brunt of the force. The Model Y, on the other hand, doesn't have a big engine to take up room. There isn't even a radiator in this room. What's the end result? A 5-star car that is safer than almost every other vehicle on the road.
The crossover received the highest marks in every test, making it one of the safest crossovers on the road.
Number 2. What else is so safe about the Model Y? The Tesla Model Y is an updated version of the company's Model 3 automobile, which was meant to address some of the Model 3's minor flaws. One of these was the chassis' robustness, which allowed the car to disperse forces around the exterior of the occupants rather than through the cabin itself. The Model Y also has a reinforced accident pack and some of the world's biggest castings. Tesla is developing a vehicle that will instill a great deal of confidence on the road.
The perfect choice for those who want to drive a spacious, impressively intelligent, extremely safe electric car.
Number 1. Enhancing the automotive sector. Because of all these modifications, the Model Y is likely to be the safest vehicle ever built in the entire world. Despite all of these technological advancements, there hasn't been much publicity. Even though Tesla continues to set records and enhance the automotive sector for customers, we hear relatively little about the business. It's as though there's a plot afoot. So do let us know what you guys think about the Tesla Model Y so far in the comments down below. We're pretty sure most of our listeners, especially those who are looking forward to electric automobiles in the future, are huge fans of this model right now. So if you enjoyed this video and wish to catch up on more content like this in the future, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And with that, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now.